Hey, you are finally awake. I'm so happy. I have been waiting forever for the chloroform to wear off. Hmm? What are you trying to tell me? Oh, here. I will remove the gag from your mouth. Just don't scream. Thanks for not screaming, cutie. I'm going to remove your blindfold too. Hi, cutie. Do you recognize me? Yes, that's me from your math class. Good memory, sweetie. I suppose I should tell you why you are here. Well, you see, I love you. I have wanted you for so long. I know you were really shy, so I had to take the initiative and take you here. I always felt bad for you. You are so shy and scared. It's adorable. I want to protect you and keep you safe. Hey, calm down, cutie. Don't struggle. There is no point. You are all tied up. And besides, deep down, I know you like me too. You are just too shy to admit it. But that's okay. We have all the time in the world. It's so cute how you tremble just from being touched. You are adorable. You are still so tense. Do you think I'm going to hurt you? Cutie, I could never hurt you. Even if I tried, I wouldn't be able to bring myself to hurt such an adorable person. Even if I have to punish you for disobeying or trying to run away from me, I don't think I would be able to discipline you in that manner. Yeah, you are going to do as I say. Did you forget that you are tied up? You are so adorable. You don't have much of choice. I plan to keep you forever, of course. I love you, and I know somewhere in your heart you love me too. If you won't admit it to me, I will just have to force it out of you. Oh, no. It's okay, sweetie. You don't have to cry. Although you do look adorable when you do. Shh. It's going to be okay. I won't hurt you to make you love me. You are still shaking. If you are too cold, I can get you some blankets. Or are you shaking in fear still? Mm, you are okay. You are safe with me. No one will ever hurt you. If anyone tries to hurt you, they are done for. What do I mean? You don't need to worry about that. You don't need to worry about anything anymore. I will take care of everything for you, darling. I still can't believe I finally have you here. I'm so happy. You are perfect. You are amazing. Of course, you can ask me a question, darling. Just don't ask me to let you go or tell your exact location, because that's not going to be answered just yet. I have to make sure you won't run off and tell someone. Why did I fall in love with you? Darling, it's because you are you. You are the most handsome guy out there. I like shy boys so much already, but there is so much more than just that. Your eyes, your face, your ears, your stomach, your hair, everything about you is perfect. I couldn't try to love anyone else. I had been watching you for a while. Yes, I watched you from your home, playing video games, reading, eating, drinking, and saw everything. There was a nice spot near your home in one of the trees. After classes were over, I would follow you home every day and watch over you. I was always ready to protect you should anything have happened. In fact, you don't even know, but I saved you from getting robbed on your way home once. Yes, I am serious. There was a guy heading near you with a gun, but luckily I disarmed him and threatened him to leave you alone, or else I would kill him. Oh, I'm a lot stronger than I look. And I believe I get super strength whenever it involves protecting you, darling. You walked home alone all the time with your head down. You were pretty scared of people, and you would walk through a bad part of town to get home. I had to follow you to keep you safe. I had to protect you, and eventually I realized the best way to protect you was to bring you here for myself away from all those scary people. I love you more than anything. I think, no, I know that I love you more than I love myself. Hey, now, nobody insults my love, and that includes you. Darling, I know you are still scared of me, but you truly don't have to be. I already told you I would never hurt you and that I love you. You have never been safer before. I will consider untying you if you be a good boy. What do I mean? Well, there is a few rules you need to follow. First, don't scream. But I don't think that one's too hard for you. You don't talk much already, and you didn't scream when you woke up, and I bet that was scary for you. Secondly, since you are tied up for now, I'm going to have to feed you. You have to eat the food I give you. And don't worry, I know all your favorites of all the food groups and meals. Though you should eat a healthier breakfast. Lastly, the main rule, do not try to run away from me. That would really upset me, and we both don't want that. You are probably a bit tired, and I'm getting a bit sleepy too. I will stay down here with you tonight. We can cuddle up to each other. Let me just get in bed and get close up to you and wrap my arms around you. Oh, you were blushing. I told you I knew you like me. It's okay, darling. You don't need to be embarrassed. It's okay to blush. It's really cute. I promise you, I will still be here when you wake up in the morning. Good night, darling. I love you. And now it's time to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, then this Andre gonna. You know what I will do, right? So, like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.